Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Chanel coming to you with another video. So, here's the tea. Y'all know for a hot second, these Amazon videos were like super hot. And so, all these dupes that people never knew existed were like being snatched up here and there. And you've got really good luxury quality dupes for these high-end products, and now all of a sudden they vanished. Like, where did they go? Like, where did they go? And I'm so confused by it because, like, these are dupes. These aren't replicas. These are dupes. These are not, you know, labeled as Chanel. These are not labeled as Givenchy. These are not labeled as Chloe or any of those brands. But all of a sudden they are gone. So Ainifeel is one of the companies that was doing it and doing it well. Like genuine leather products, all that stuff. And y'all, I know that I said, like, I feel like $200 or $150 is too much for a dupe. But if it's high quality leather and it's high quality purse, I would pay that for, you know, just a regular brand purse. You know what I'm saying? So if it's also going to give me the look of a luxury brand, but for way cheaper, a fraction of the price with all the style notes that I'm looking for, you know, it just got me to thinking, like, why wouldn't I? So for me, I ordered a couple of the Ainifeel bags and I was so impressed by the quality of them that I was like beating myself over the head for not getting more of their dupes when they were available on Amazon. My hope is that they eventually come back, maybe under a different name. I don't know. But I need them to come back because the quality of their stuff is superb. Anyway, so I said that to say, it got me to looking for them, like searching for them on Google, like, okay, well, do they have their own website? Because if you guys will notice, also Caitlin Pan is no longer available on Amazon. I never purchased anything from her, but she was up there with Ainifeel quality dupes for shoes rather than purses. And she's no longer on there, but she has her own website. So you can go to her website and still get the same quality things from her direct website. So I was thinking, okay, well, maybe Ainifeel has their own website. They don't. However, in my search, I was able to find a couple of different vendors that still sell Ainifeel bags. I will link them down below. And then also Poshmark. Poshmark does have some people that are selling their bags on there. Because Ainifeel is gone, there's a little bit of a high demand, so people have their prices a little like up there. Same with the website. Like the prices are higher than they were on Amazon, and they're not Prime. They're not 2-day free shipping and all that. But the quality is still there, and to me, they're still worth the price tag. So I got on Amazon and I was looking, and I found a Chanel dupe. And so, there are different ones on there. Chanel, Hermes, all that. Just look up Poshmark and look up Ainifeel. Go to Poshmark and look up Ainifeel and you can find it. Of course, you know, you can haggle on the pricing with Poshmark with the seller. So, anyway, I found a bag and we gonna unbox it. I pretty well know what to expect as far as the quality because that's why I wanted to see if I could find one on there. Because I know that the quality is good and I wanted this size. You guys will see that I already unboxed one that I got from Amazon, but this one is going to be, we're going to see how it compares to the one that I got from Amazon the other day. So right now I'm just opening up the box. Let's see what it looks like. Y'all should see the scissors I'm using. These are my lash scissors that I'm using to open up this box. Anyway, I'm really excited, but I don't know. Anyway, so this was listed, I think she had it listed for 60, 65, maybe 50. I don't remember, 65 or 70, something like that. And I offered $50 for it. And she accepted my offer. So now they do plus tax and all that stuff. So it was like 60 bucks with all that. So this is what it looks like. Here's the packaging. Let me see. Did she give me any? You know, sometimes people like to put like cards and stuff in there. And she did. So let me pull that out first. It just says, thank you. Thanks for stopping by. Hope the bag brings you much joy. Armani Styles. So here's that. Now let's get into the bag. This is a smaller one, and I'm pretty sure I asked her what size it was, and she said it was a 30. I think she lied. Let's see, because I got my little measuring tape. Let's see. This is 25, and she said 30. So I'm not happy about that because I wanted the bigger one. Number one, first of all, it smells like her house. It doesn't smell. It smells like her house. It doesn't smell like leather. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't think this is an Ainifeel bag. This doesn't feel soft like the Ainifeel. I don't think this is an Ainifeel bag. I don't know. Maybe it is, but it doesn't feel like the other ones that I have. I don't know. The stick, there's a thread right here that is like messed up. That just came out. Okay. There's a little scratch down here, but for the most part, it's okay. This is the 25 centimeter, so this is smaller. And of course, y'all know I have the other one to compare. I mean, it's nice. The chain is weighted. It's you know, everything is still like in sequence and all of that. This would be comparable to the medium size, not the large, which I thought it was the large. Am I tripping? Like, let me look it up, because I thought she said, I don't know. Let me double check, because I don't know. Let me see. If y'all hear some noise and stuff, my husband just got home, so he making noise. She originally had this listed for $150. Not happening. I offered her $50 and she accepted it. And see, right now I'm looking and I'm seeing lots and lots of Ainifeel dupes for the Chanel bags, for the Hermes bags, the Chloe bags. I'm seeing, yeah. So if you're still looking, you can definitely find it. They've got a 1 extra large flap in the white color for $170. Okay, I guess that's my bad, because she told me it was 9.6 in width, which is the 25 centimeter. So that's my bad. Anyway, so here it is. I'm going to show you in comparison to the PU leather one that I have. The PU leather one that I have is softer. Yeah, this is a more like a more coarse leather. It's not as soft and supple. Like, it's not as soft and supple. But here's a size comparison, so you can see the difference. See that it's just a slight difference, and I don't know how to get you to really, there you go. I think you can see a little better there. But there is a difference in sizing. This one is bigger. Yeah, there you go. This one is bigger. This one is softer. This one is, honestly, I like this one better, to be honest. And this is the one I paid the $33 for. I like this one much better, to be honest, than I like the one that I got off Poshmark. I just don't feel like it's really an Ainifeel bag, to be honest. I don't know. And it doesn't have, and she said this was new with tags, but The Ainifeel bags come with like actual tags. There are no tags on this bag at all. It just doesn't feel soft like my other one. It just doesn't feel the same. Let me show you guys the other one that I got from Amazon. It fails in comparison by far to this one. The feel of this is just surpasses this one by far. But here you can definitely tell the difference in size between this bag and this bag. This is the 30 centimeter. This is the 25 centimeter. Also, you can see how dull the leather is on here, which is more true to lambskin than calf leather. So you can see the difference between the two there. And again, you can definitely tell the difference in sizing. So hands down, this is a much better quality bag as far as the leather is concerned. Again, you guys, this one has the double flap, but it does not have the little zipper up here. But even when you bend this back, like you can just see and feel how soft and pliable and supple this leather is, as opposed to the leather on this 25 centimeter one. Like when you open it up, it's just way more stiff. You see that? It's just way more stiff. Like it doesn't even look the same. I don't know. There's no comparison. No comparison. And then also, the inside of this is bright red, where I feel like the Ainifeel is not bright red on the inside. Now they got me wanting to go grab my big Ainifeel so that I can compare it. I still think that this one is much better. See, these look very similar to me on the inside. And I paid, you know, this one was $33. I'm pretty sure she said it was new with tags, so we might have to qualm about that a little bit because it doesn't have any tags on it. Matter of fact, let me check while I'm on here. Let me check my receipts. Yeah, it definitely says new with tags. There are no tags on this bag. And I'm going to show y'all that I'm not being petty. I'm going to show y'all my... She's carried this bag. Like, this is not new with tags. Like, you went somewhere with this bag. Let me see. I'm trying to... The good old made in China tag on the inside. Here's the inside of it. The size of this one is cute. I'm going to also grab my other little bitty ones so that you can see a comparison with those as well. So y'all remember this guy. This is my little bitty guy that I got. And it is genuine leather. Very smooth, very soft, very supple. It's even showing up a little dull on camera in comparison to this one. Yeah, for sure. But you see the difference in size. This one is smaller. This one is... Let's measure it. (20.5 centimeters), where this one is 25. Now, you guys have not seen this bag yet because I have not released the unbagging for it yet, unboxing for it yet. But I'm going to show y'all real quick so you know what new with tags Ainifeel looks like. First of all, the feel, I can already tell you that the feel and quality of this one is way better than the feel and quality of this one. Way better. Way better. This is soft and beautiful. Just, y'all look at her. Ugh. But anyway, this is what new with tags looks like, okay? Plastic is still here. You got the white still here. I've still got the wrapping on my straps. These are the Ainifeel tags. This is what brand new with tags looks like, y'all. So if yours does not have this, this is not new with tags. I just don't think this is real. Let's look at the inside. That's what I was getting this for too, to see what the inside leather looks like. I mean, what the inside flap color also. And that's what I thought. I'm gonna show y'all the difference. The color is not the same. This color is brighter. And I just can't see them using a different material for the extra larges than the smaller ones. So I don't think this is Ainifeel. And I'm going to send that back because I feel like that's misleading and the quality is just not the same. However, I don't discourage you from looking on there, you know, to find a good quality handbag. And if it is real Ainifeel, it will be top quality. So, like I said, I'll link the other websites that I found so that you guys can purchase real Ainifeel, because this bag right here is so bomb. So bomb, so soft. These are all like real leather quality pieces. Top quality pieces. This one is cute, but I prefer, I feel like I'm overflowing with bags at this point. But again, if I'm choosing between this one and this one, I'm choosing this one, the $33 one that is faux leather. It feels much softer. It feels much better. It actually smells better to me than this one. So there you go, guys. Again, this one will be in the giveaway for you guys to receive, for one of you guys to receive. So once we hit the 5K, that's when we'll do the giveaway. But yeah, unfortunately, I was super excited about this, but it's a no for me, dog. It's a no for me. I'm not gonna be able to do it. Anyway, that was a real quick video for you guys. I polled you guys, and a lot of you want to see the Ainifeel unboxings, even though they're no longer available on Amazon Prime. They are still available through those websites that I was telling you about, so I'm going to release those for you guys to check out. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. I love you so much. Bye.